Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your Android look like iOS 18. So, the first thing we need to do is get our Android device here, and as you can see, this is set to the base Android version. So, in order for us to make our Android look like iOS 18, all we need to do is go to the Play Store here, and then once we are in the Play Store, we search for iOS Launcher. And then, once we're here, we scroll down here, we tap on Launcher iOS, and we simply tap on Install. And then, once you're done with that, your home screen or your Android device should look like iOS 18. However, I do not recommend this since it is a bit laggy. However, if you do like the iOS 18 look, this is a great option and it's the best option out there. And that is it. That is how you make your Android look like iOS 18. So, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.